Hey, do you want to learn how to add or connect a custom domain to your Canva website or the AI web app that you have built, like this one? So in order to do it, you first need to go over to the AI code here and add it to a design. You need to add it into one of these three options. And I'm going to show you how to change it into website first. So let's just click on presentation, click on continue in browser instead. And it's going to take you over to this page. Now, this is a presentation. This is not a website. So I'm going to first click on this on the bottom, right click it and resize page. Now scroll down, you're going to find website, click on it, and it's going to copy and resize it into a website page over here. We're going to click on this first slide and press on the delete button. Now this is the website that we need. And on the top right, click on publish website. Over here, you're going to find site address. I already had added a custom domain. That's why it's showing up like this over here. This is the random subdomain that Canva has created for you. You can change the subpath if you want. And if you click here, the pencil icon, you can get a new domain. So click on it. And here you see bring your own domain. So click on continue, add your own domain name. I've bought my domains from Namecheap and have been doing so from quite some time. They're really good and never had any issues with them. So if you want to buy one of these domains from Namecheap, I've got a link in the description so you can go through that, and it's going to help me out with a small commission as well. So over here, I'm going to go into one of these domains like this one. Click on manage on the right hand side. Make sure it's selected as basic DNS here. Drop down Namecheap basic DNS. Then click on advanced DNS on the top right. Now over here, I'm going to delete these two records in the host records box. We don't need anything here for now. Let's go back here and add this domain. So copy this, shopifybasics.co, and paste it over here. This is one of the domains I got. Now, if you've got another domain provider, you just need to go over to the advanced DNS settings inside it, and then you can add a new record from here. So just click on continue on Canva and connect domain manually. Let's click on review steps. Here you need to add an A record to link your domain to Canva. Let's copy this name and hosts. Go over here on Namecheap, add new record, click on A record, host, paste it, the @ paste it over here, and the value points to, we need to copy this IP address and paste it in the value field. Click on save changes, add a new record again. And this time in the host field, we need to type in www. Go back here, record added. Second one is you need to point it again to this IP address, record added. Go over to Namecheap again. Paste this same address, IP address that you pasted in the first one. Click on this check mark and save changes. Now we go over here and it's going to ask you to add a TXT record to verify the domain ownership. I'm just going to click on this and add a new record, TXT record. In the host, I'm going to paste that @, then the value points to, copy it, paste it in the value field. Then click on save changes. And that's it. We have now added all three of these records here. Let's go back to Canva, record added. And I'm going to click on the I've updated my DNS records, this button. And now it's going to sync. Usually takes around 10 minutes, but it says that it's 72 hours in some cases. And yes, it can take up to 72 hours due to propagation. So they're going to email you when it's done. You can start designing. Change from here. If you have added multiple domains, you can change from this. Just click on this drop down and you can change from here. You can also go back to your random Canva site domain if you want. Change the subpath again and publish it. And now let's copy this link and paste it here. And that's it. Your website will now be live on that domain. And that's how to connect a custom domain to Canva website. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Canva related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.